Hey guys, Crazy Kids here.
Crazy Kids.
So
I'm eating pizza crust. I didn't even have pizza. I'm just eating the crust. It's good.
Okay, so basically, someone commented on one of our videos and said that we should do a
The
burping challenge.
We're so doing it.
We're so
What's her
doing
name?
it. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Savis Fan 1, so go follow them.
They
I'm sorry if I
commented.
pronounced it wrong.
They commented in our burp video.
So yeah,
Go look at that comment and subscribe to them.
yeah.
They're awesome. We're gonna go do this. Thanks for the comment. Oh, and seriously, whoever just liked that video, get a life. I'm just kidding. Be nicer.
So we're gonna go get some sweet tea since it's a challenge.
sweet tea.
Yes, to make it a challenge. Oh, also, the person that disliked our video, you know,
I just said that.
you're a little mean, but that's okay. You can dislike what you want.
True.
But I would prefer like instead of a dislike.
And we don't have any cups.
Oh, we can just drink out. No, I'm just kidding.
Having ice? What?
No ice. Ice bad. Or you can have ice if you want.
Nah, it makes.
Okay, so we got our cups.
Yup.
We got our sweet tea. Wait, is this sweet tea?
Yes, it's sweet. I love sweet tea.
I thought it was unsweetened. Okay.
My mama makes sweet tea every day.
So basically, we got cups. We would do this with soda, but we don't have any left. And
Well, I do, but Morgan doesn't.
yeah,
so.
I don't have a lot left. So we have sweet tea that we're gonna use and
Sweet
try and burp
tea,
with it.
pecan pie, Louisiana cider, and I fill up my mouth. I forgot how that went.
That's nice. Okay. Let's get started.
I don't like that filter.
Me neither. Okay, so
Burping.
Let's get started.
challenge, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-boo.
Oh, so if you do this challenge, just link us to it
Link us.
so we can watch your
Burping
awesome
challenge.
burping
My
challenge.
burps probably not gonna be that great today. They were great in the last video. Come on, guys. Again.
What the heck? Why did you just do that? We needed that for the charger.
Nah.
You're back.
Come over here.
So we're pouring the sweet tea. Show them your sweet tea.
If you can see that. I'm about to pour it on the table. I don't want to do that. Here. There we go.
Enough. Okay. So let's get this stuff out of the way.
Out of the way. It's starting crazy. Oh, look what I found in her mom's van. I found a dime and a nickel. And more.
That's fun. Yeah. So let's just do this, I guess.
Wait. Got pizza crust in my mouth.
So basically, we're just gonna try and burp with sweet tea.
Think it.
Wait. Ready? As soon as we hit, I'm gonna change the filter. That's it.
Wait, what?
When we hit, I'm gonna change the filter to make it look cool. Ready?
Think it. That worked.
Okay.
Sink it.
I'm doing it, but it's a little. See, she's a master at burping. I can do it. It's not even working. I'm gonna try it with my Sprite.
Hmm?
I'm gonna try it with the Sprite and see if it works. Because sweet tea is not working for me at least.
Coke doesn't work for me. No, it's cold, so like whenever it gets to here, I just burp. That sounds disgusting.
I know. It like all the bubbles. So basically,
I can't
this
get a
is
big
just
one.
a video of Paige burping. 'Cause I can't do anything. Like, it's not working.
My Coke.
Doing pretty well yesterday.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah.
whoever recommended this video, thank you very much. I love this.
It's pretty good on my end, too. Being next to someone burping every 5 seconds. That's fun.
That's so bad. Oh my gosh.
Yep. Oh, I did it.
I heard that. She actually burped, guys.
I know, it's a miracle.
Oh, my shirt says Southern by Nature. I love it. And then check out the back of it. Nature selfie.
Nature's healthy.
It's got a. it's got a bear.
The possum's kind of creepy, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys want sunglasses? Here you go.
Yeah, take some sunglasses. That did nothing. Oh yeah, it did. Never mind. Hey.
Hey, home. Party.
Okay, we're being really boring right now. Let's pause it, and whenever we get a good burp, we'll play it. That was bad. We're going to the bathroom, so it's supposed to be entertaining you guys. What is on my mouth? Jeez, okay. Oh, it's pizza. Pizza crust. Burp. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna burp. By the way, again, thanks for the comment. Go follow whoever commented on our last video. We'll probably put them in the comments on this video. So go look into the comments and they'll be there. All of them. Or subscribe or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. Using the sweet tea.
Oh, you guys, I did the best burp ever while I was in there.
No, she didn't. She sucks.
Look what I found.
She found a rubber ducky. I love rubber ducky. Ew, it's wet. Okay.
Well,
She got
that
soaked.
happened. I squirted the ducky and water came out.
You mean ducky.
There's
There's bubbles. Ew!
You guys want to see?
The ducky is peeing.
That's nice. Oh, look at those bubbles. Guys like that? Yeah, you do. That was great.
Ew. Sorry, it sounds so disgusting. Nope. Sweet tea.
But technically, you guys could all blame this on Savis Fan 1 because it's her fault. She recommended this. I'm just kidding. Or
How did you
he.
still
I'm not
remember?
sure. He or her.
I keep burping. Keep liking our videos, even though they're really stupid. You know? Oh,
We'll get better.
Look, my hair is different colors. Sorry, I get excited over dumb stuff. Okay, so we'll get better at doing videos, and we'll see. We'll try to make more exciting videos. Like
We'll see you guys at the
videos.
mall.
We're going to the mall.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Bye.
Wait.
Hey, what?
Pause it, pause it. Oh, you missed my word.
Okay, bye.
Wait.
Bye, guys. We'll see you
Wait.
at the mall.